The U.S. Air Force makes a lot of critical and important decisions about the future configuration of the U.S. aircraft fleet. Such a decision was the ultimate cause of the F-22 Raptor production. The military aircraft is, for many, a masterpiece of the military industry, a technological achievement that ensures the U.S. dominance on the skies. Lockheed Martin's fighter entered service in 2003 and featured impressive stealth capabilities, advanced systems, and powerful armament. What else can you ask for in a stealth fighter? However, in 2009, the production of new Raptor fighters stopped forever. What was the reason behind the ambiguous decision? The whole F-22 Raptor program received a lot of criticism from the beginning. Their two main concerns were its cost and role. At such time, no other nation that was fighting with the US could propose an advanced air superiority fighter. So, many believed that the F-22 will be a really expensive aircraft that won't see important combat. Additionally, its cost was crazy enough to reach the impressive amount of $350 to $380 million per unit, including the cost of research and development. Without research and development expenses, each unit cost almost $100 to $180 million in the 2000s. The F-35 Lightning II had a cost per unit of almost $80 million. Secretary of Defense Ministry, Robert M. Gates made a case for stopping production and continued to support the opposite opinion. In 2009, President Obama officially ended production. The Raptor won't come back, but the criticism will stay for a couple of years. According to sources, out of the 186 Raptors that Lockheed Martin delivered to the USAF, only 130 were optional. According to the defense writer Tyler Rogoway, from these 130, only the 125 units were ready to fight 1 year ago. Supporters of the Raptor believe that this number of units, the 100 fully available Raptors, is a small number for the requirements of the USAF. Considering the areas in the East, Pacific, and Europe, the units don't be enough. Except for that, a lot of officials stated that such aircraft will be important weapons in possible future conflicts against top-class air forces. Of course, such threats are China or Russia. The first country has developed and upgraded a lot of fighters and their technologies. Chinese Air Force is constantly evolving, and the US needs to show progress in order to stay ahead. No one can be sure if the US decision was right or wrong. The results will be visible in the next years or even decades. We shouldn't forget to mention that the US Air Force never sold any F-22 Raptors to export customers in order to protect its advanced technologies.